Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change the ringtone volume you should swipe this red dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also you can use up or down volume button to this, press here and then click here to these three dots. You'll see also here the ringtone, the left ringtone and notification volume panel, and just to change the volume of the ringtone you should slide up or down this white dot. That's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.